The health benefits of avocado oil and its medicinal uses. Avocado oil is one of the healthiest cooking oils on the planet and has many medicinal properties. This has received prescription drug status in France for its proven ability to fight arthritis and other diseases. In today's video, we will explore 18 facts and benefits of avocado oil and explain how it affects the human body. 1. Cooking oil. Avocado oil is the safest oil to use for high heat cooking and frying because it has an extremely high smoke point as high as 270 degrees Celsius. It is also much healthier than regular cooking oils because it fights inflammation in the body. 2. Arthritis. Avocado oil is well known to help fight off all forms of arthritis and is used heavily in France to make an arthritis drug. Studies show that it can help to reduce swelling and pain in the joints and also stimulate growth and repair of the cartilage and connective tissues. 3. Heart health. If you wish to protect against coronary heart disease, we highly recommend getting more avocados and avocado oils into your diet. Its monounsaturated fats and large amount of potassium help to reduce blood pressure naturally and promote better blood flow to and from the heart. 4. Skin health. You can apply avocado oil directly to the skin as a natural moisturizer for those with sensitive skin. It contains oleic acid and phytosterols which help to get rid of dryness and flaky skin. We also recommend consuming the oil regularly as it helps to boost collagen production for better skin elasticity. 5. Eye health. If you suffer with dry eyes, vision problems, or tired, aching eyes, we highly recommend consuming foods rich in an antioxidant called lutein. Avocado oil is a good source of lutein, which can also reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration with age, along with dark leafy greens like kale and broccoli. 6. Hair mask. Avocado oil can be used as a natural treatment to help moisturize, repair, and strengthen your hair. Studies show that minerals in avocado oil can help to seal cuticle cells and prevent hair from breaking easily. This is excellent when trying to grow the hair longer and healthier. 7. Salad dressing. Some nutrients need fat in order to be properly absorbed by the body. Fruits and vegetables are rich in carotenoids but are typically low in fat. Adding avocado oil to healthy salads with carrots, lettuce and other vegetables helps your body to absorb more antioxidants from these healthy foods for better health. 8. Gum disease. Extracts from avocado oil have been shown to help prevent periodontal disease, also known as gum disease. The nutrients in the oil naturally reduce inflammation in the gums to help prevent red and bleeding gums, bad breath, and the breakdown of teeth and bone tissue. 9. Blood sugars. The healthy fats found in avocado oil can help to stabilize blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for pre-diabetics or those with type 2 diabetes. Keeping your blood sugars at the right levels also helps to improve the mood, make you less hungry and more focused throughout the day. 10. Inflammation. The complex of antioxidants and nutrients in avocado oil help to reduce inflammation in the body at the cellular level. It contains the entire vitamin E complex, which is a potent antioxidant and can protect against all kinds of inflammatory diseases. 11. Weight loss. A great way to improve your health and lose weight is to switch out unhealthy fats like seed oils and start consuming more avocado oil. Healthy oils like this reduce inflammation in the liver so that the body is able to burn off body fat more effectively. We also recommend extra virgin olive oil. 12. Wound healing. Some natural skin creams are made with avocado oil to help treat skin injuries like cuts and wounds. Animal studies show that this can speed up the healing process due to the phytochemicals found within the oil. 13. Beard growth. Many men use a few drops of this oil daily to stimulate growth for a fuller and healthier beard. The oil helps to plump up collagen production to give the beard a healthier appearance. It also removes dryness and irritation around the skin when shaving. 14. How to use. Although this is a great cooking oil, heat may destroy some of its delicate nutrients it contains. For this reason, we recommend also using the oil as a part of a raw healthy salad dressing. This will also help you to absorb more nutrients from the leafy green vegetables. 15. Avocado oil versus olive oil. This is an emerald green colour with a buttery taste and is less bitter than olive oil. This makes it a great alternative if you don't like the taste of raw olive oil. It also has a creamier texture which works well in salad dressings or as a finishing oil for meat, fish or freshly cooked vegetables and herbs. It is often used in vegan recipes to replace butter and dairy. 16. Types. There are many different brands of this oil on the market. Be sure to look for a good organic cold-pressed extra virgin avocado oil for the best effects. This oil will be unprocessed and contains all of the nutrients intact. A good quality oil will have a rich green colour and have a bold, rich avocado-like flavour, unlike refined products. 17. Products. Avocado oil can also be found in many health products, including avocado butter, avocado mayonnaise, and fresh guacamole. 18. Nutrients. Avocado oil contains vitamin E, C, K1, B5, B6 and E, and is also rich in antioxidants like chlorophyll, carotenoids, folate, potassium, healthy omega-9 fats and trace minerals. As you can see, avocado oil is a fantastic alternative to use in cooking, and also contains some enormous health benefits when consumed raw and uncooked. In our other videos, we take a look at the benefits of avocado seed and a range of other healthy foods. To learn more about these, please select one of our video playlists at the end. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.